Hello students. So in the last video we have seen what is the importance of signature, how can you create the signature, what is the importance of sign out, why it is important to sign out from your account. So today we'll see the next topic, that is information retrieval. What is the meaning of retrieval? So retrieval means how to get it. Okay. So information is internet is most in common source to retrieve information. The internet has made it easy to access and share information which can be in the form of text, pictures, audio or video. So in internet you can share the informations. So informations are like text, pictures, audio and video information. You can share it, you can find it, get it. So information on almost every subject is available on the internet. So whatever you search in the internet, you get the information about that topic. Searching for information on the internet or exploring the internet is commonly referred as a surfing. Okay. So in internet, what you do? You do surfing. Have you heard the word surfing? Surfing means finding anything, searching any topic, any information in the internet. That is called surfing. Okay. Generally, we do the surfing in Google. Okay. Generally, because Google is the very famous search engine. Now, what is search engine? So, using search engines to find information. What is search engine? Search engine is a program that searches the web for specified keywords and returns a list of web pages in which the keywords are found. Okay. So, search engine is what? It is a program. So, in that program, we write something. Whatever you want to search, we write the word. Okay. So, the search engine so the search engine search that word and returns a list of web pages related to the keyword. Okay, that means it will help you to find the answer of any topic. Then in simple words, it is a search engine is a program which will find any information whatever you enter in the internet. A popular search engine is google.com. So the most famous search engine is our google.com. That's why whatever you want to search related to any topic, your educational topic, business topic, science topic, any topic, any, so anything you want to search in the internet, we type in google.com. So google.com is very popular search engine. So understood what is called search engine. So let us consider an example to understand how to search an information using search engine. So here given how to open any browser, how to enter the google.com. See, connect to the internet and open a web browser. Okay. First of all, do the connection and open a web browser. Web browser can be anything: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, then Mozilla Firefox, anything, any web browser you can open. After opening the web browser, type google.com in the address bar. So I have shown you where the address bar, and press enter. After that, what will happen? The Google home page will appear. Okay, see here in this figure it is given. This is called the address bar. Okay, here you will write the address www.google.com. Then you will get this Google page, Google home page you will get. Now type features of Gmail in the search box and click the Google search button. So first suppose you want to search the features of Google. Understood? So type here. So in this text box you have to type whatever you want to search. So write features of Gmail and press enter. Then what will happen? Many web pages will be displayed here. Many web pages are available here which will show you the features of Gmail. A list of links. So these are the list of links. So list of links to the web pages containing the search term will be displayed. So many links are available here. So you can click on any link, then it will open the features of Gmail. So in this way, this is our daily thing. Okay, we search many things in our daily life in the google.com, right? So this is not a new thing for you. Understood? So this is called search engine. So search engine is very important for us because in our day-to-day life we need to search many things about many topics. So we start the Google and we write on in the Google page whatever you want to search and we get the answer, right? Now education through the internet. How can we get educated through the internet? So nowadays you can see many educational online platforms are there for online education, online studies, right? Especially in this lockdown period, so many websites are created, many websites are available, educational online websites are there you can study online, right? So internet is a great tool for education. It allows people to learn about a variety of things that at their own pace. Number of distance education courses are also offered through the internet. So you can, suppose you are living here and you want to study some course which is not available in your city, so you can apply it to any other city which will allow you to study the online course. Understood? Online course you can study. Many institutions offer online coaching classes for engineering, medical, and management entrance examination. So online coaching classes are also available on, okay, in internet. So using the internet, one can learn a topic, take the rest, and get the results from and the comfort of one's house. That means by sitting in the home only, you can learn many things, many new topics you can learn, many new courses you can study, right? You can get many coaching classes by sitting in your home only. So only you need one computer and the internet connection and web browser, right? For example, the Microsoft.com/learning is one such site. So this is a website of Microsoft where you can learn many things. A few other websites such as www.bbc.uk.co.uk/school, www.elearningforkids.org offer free online education especially for young students. Okay, so there are millions of websites which offer you free educations, online coaching classes, many distant learning courses, many things are there. So this is the education through internet. Now next is finding people on the internet. How can you find any known friends or your known relative in the internet? How can you find? Many search engines allow you to search for people, such as old friends you have lost touch with. So there are some websites that will help you in finding people. So the websites which will help you find people are www.whowhere.com. Okay. So next, see the next page, it is given anywho.com, then peoplefinders.com, people.yahoo.com, then facebook.com. So there are many websites where you can find your old friends, relatives, any person. Okay, so this is called finding people in the internet. So in Facebook, you enter the name of the people who want to search, and the Facebook server will search, the Facebook search engine will search about that person if it is available in the Facebook or not. Okay, then it will show you the person details. So let us consider anywho.com. So write in this address bar anywho.com. This web page will appear here. Type the website address in the address bar of the web browser and click enter. The home page will appear. So this is the home page of anywho.com. So here you can find any person. So write the first name of the person. You can see here, write the first name, write the last name, write the city or zip. Zip means the pin code of this city. Then state. So many details it will ask, and at last you have to enter. Then it will find about that person. Enter the information you know about the person you want to search for and click the corresponding find button. So here you will see in the below there is a find button. Click on find button. Then this anywho.com will search about that person. The relevant information will appear on the screen. After that, if the person is available, then the information of that person will be available on the screen. Understood? So in this way you can find many persons on internet. So internet is very useful in our day-to-day life nowadays. Without internet we cannot do many things. Okay, so internet is very useful. So you have learned in this chapter how to send email, how to create an email ID, what are the basic terms of internet, what are signatures, how to find people, many things you have learned about this. Search engines also. So the famous search engine is google.com, right? So in this way this chapter is complete now. So study the chapter very nicely, and if you have doubt then ask me on any topic. Understood? Thank you.